What's going on, guys? Danny here. So previously on this channel, I showed you guys my open sourced AI video editor called Hyperedit, which uses free tools like FFMPEG and Remotion to edit videos and add animations as good or better than the leading platforms like Capcut and Adobe Premiere Studio, which are both billion-dollar tools. And I open sourced this to the entire world, which is already pretty mind-blowing. And we have almost 100 people that have cloned it and are working on the project, which is pretty awesome. And in my last video, I showed you guys the power of this new open sourced AI memory tool called Obsidian. You give it data like videos, photos, blogs, and it stores it and creates connections between them called nodes. This makes agents way smarter than they already were. And so with Hyperedit and Obsidian, I realized that our AI video editor can now be connected to an Obsidian AI video library, allowing us to source any video we give it. This, my friends, will completely revolutionize video creation, and I promise you a lot of businesses are going to profit off of what I'm about to show you today. But the craziest thing about this AI video editor is that it keeps improving. And in this video, I'm going to show you the Obsidian agents that I've created in this newest update, which can literally add any video into your video timeline workflow. This feature doesn't exist anywhere else, and it's really cool that I just coded it. So guys, welcome to the Hyperedit V2 update. My free AI video editor is now officially better than CapCut and Adobe with this new Obsidian Agent update, and I'm not even joking when I say that. So in today's video, we're going to go through 5 chapters. We're first going to explain the videos that I think you guys should watch before watching this one so that you know how to build the Obsidian knowledge graph with a video ingestion system, as well as how Hyperedit worked in the V1 update so that you know about all of the different workflows and 3 agents that make up the video editing platform. From there, I'm going to show you the full Hyperedit Obsidian update. I'm going to show you how it's working for one of my clients, and this will blow your mind. It's actually ridiculous. Like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So the 2 videos that you need to watch is the I built an open source $1 million AI video editor. Here's how to set it up. This shows you all the video workflows that use FOW.ai, how FFMPEG and Remotion actually work, and how to connect Gemini, which was the best video analysis API out there, as well as the Claude plus Obsidian. Just 100x'd my AI agents. This shows you guys how to build a video knowledge ingestion engine, which takes any video that you give it, processes it, gives you the transcript, and then stores it inside of this knowledge graph with markdown files so that we can use our agents to source all of these videos based off of prompts. This is freaking mind-blowing, and combining these two is what I'm going to show you guys today. So now, guys, let me show you this full example. I've been running thousands of videos through this ingestion system for one of my clients, and now I have a knowledge graph inside of Obsidian that has over 1,000 videos that I can source just from prompting it inside of Hyperedit. I'm going to show you that right now. So on the left-hand side is the actual knowledge graph itself, and I'm running it through this animation to show you guys how it actually works. And essentially, any video that gets processed through the ingestion engine will then get turned into a node. And the nodes that have the most connections will be bigger than the other ones. And this allows the agents to really show all of the connections in between all of the different media that we have. And so this is associated with a stem cell therapy company. And so we can see that all of the patients are connected through the patient node, and we can then source all of the patient testimonial videos through there, or the clinic videos, or the B-roll videos, or the male gendered videos. The list goes on, and we are consistently evolving this knowledge graph over time. And then I connected this Obsidian knowledge graph to the Obsidian agent that we see in the Hyperedit chat. So if we go over to the Obsidian agent and we go over into the chat and I type in B-roll, it will then search the vault inside of the knowledge graph, and it'll source all of the different videos. So if we go and we search inside of the knowledge graph itself and we search for B-roll, it will pull up a bunch of different results in this little slider here. And if we click on it, we can look inside and see what each one of these pieces of content actually are. And this will allow us to do better research before actually building out our video. So here we can see we got some B-roll footage of a female patient seated in a clinic treatment infusion chair. And we can click on this link to actually review the entire video. And that's some really solid B-roll. So now I can use that in my Hyperedit editor. And so I don't even have to do any of that actual search. I just wanted to show you guys how it actually works. All I have to do is go on the right-hand side, find the correct video that I want, and click import. From there, it literally downloads the video and adds it to the timeline. And so the fact that it can do this means we can now train our agents on a skill to use this knowledge graph and the Hyperedit skills to grab pieces of content, edit them, and publish them to social media without us doing anything. That is the power of Hyperedit. It allows us to build workflows for our agent workflows. And this is something that is absolutely game-changing because we can grab all of the best content and we can compare it and rank it based on what we actually want. Let's say we had a video clip of Joe Rogan talking about a shoulder treatment. Well, then we can grab all of the shoulder B-roll from the knowledge graph and quickly add it to the original clip. This is going to change how video content's created. I guarantee it. And I want to see, guys, Hyperedit and Obsidian are so easy to use that I'm not even going to show you guys how to connect it to. Have a lot of fun, and I'll see you in the next one.